Hey guys, Anthony here, and I thought that I'd do a quick review of this mini drone that I've had for a while, the Virhuck GB202. Okay, this drone is available on Amazon for the grand total of $15, and for the price it's well built and easy to fly. The drone comes with a standard host of features for toy drones, 3 speed modes which change the sensitivity of the drone, the ability to do flips, and some lights. The drone comes in 3 colors, white, red, and black, and obviously I have the black version here. In the box, along with the drone, there are some extra propellers, a propeller guard, a charging cable, and of course, the remote. The remote is okay, though it's tiny and the buttons are very stiff. Still, it does the job. As for the charging cable, you just plug it into a USB port and the red light turns off once the drone is fully charged. The propeller guard is basically useless and you only want it on if you're a beginner. Otherwise, it just slows the drone down, and I've also found that it's prone to breaking. On the box, it says indoor and outdoor, so I took the drone outside for a test flight. It flies just fine when the air is still, though it's small enough that I doubt it could handle any breezes, so don't count on it. Indoors, it zips around no problem. For $15, this drone is great. If you're like me and like to collect toy drones, this is a great pickup. It also makes for an excellent gift for anyone who's into gadgets. Or maybe you just got a really nice drone, the kind that costs hundreds to thousands of dollars, and you have no idea how to fly it. In that case, a small drone like this is great for practice. I've had a lot of experience with some big drones, and a single crash can cost hundreds for a repair, so you definitely want to know what you're doing. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this quick review of the GB202 mini drone. There's a link in the description if you're interested. In the meantime, be sure to like this video, and maybe even subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.